Strawberry on my lips.
Guys, welcome back to my channel, and today this video is basically about my 30-day challenge hair growth with using the clove water. 30-day challenge to see if there will be any growth in my hair. So what I'll do, I'll go ahead and start measuring my hair for you to see. I would insert the video that I did previously on the first to show you the different, or to compare the different length. I also will be inserting my first day, the 1st of August result when I first measure my hair, and I will also insert on the 12th of August when I insert my hair. That will show you basically a comparison of the growth that I gained. Okay, so let's do the comparison of my hair growth. So when I just measure my hair on August the 1st, this was a measurement. I'm going to insert it right here. So this was a measurement for August the 1st. So you can compare it with the measurement of August the 12th. So what I did, I basically measure my hair on the 1st of August, and then I measure my hair again on the 12th of August. I did not do another measurement because I can see my hair grew, but was too busy to even do a hair measurement. But it did grow. So for the 1st of August, this was my measurement. The right side was 6 inches, and the lower right side was the same 6 inches. The middle back was 6.5 inches before, and the lower left was 8.9 inches, and the bottom left was 7 inches, and the lower back of my hair was 5 inches. That measurement was for August the 1st. Now let's move to August the 12th, and you can see that the hair grows. So now lower side, the lower right side is now 6.5 inches. The upper right side is now 8 inches. So right there you can see the upper right side grew like literally 2 inches, because before it was 6 inches. And the middle back was 6.5 inches, and it grew ½ inch. It's now 7 inches long. And the left side of my hair grows to 9 inches. Before it was 8.9 inches. So it grew from 8.9 to 9 inches. So that like a ½ inch right on there. And the left lower side, before it was 7 inches, now is 7.5 inches. To the back of my hair, the lower back of my hair, before it was 5 inches, now it's 5.5 inches. So there is some growth. Some places grow 2 inches, some places grow 1, some places grow half. Here can be different. Some are easy to grow, some are not. I definitely, from trying this clove water and I see that it worked, what I'm going to do, I'm going to try another hair grow challenge to see if my hair will grow beyond the point where it is now. And I know every hair type can be different, but that's how it worked for me. What I was also using in my hair, I was putting it on the root of my hair, is wild growth hair oil that I purchased from the beauty supply store. Most of it grew like an inch or inch and a half. On top of my hair grew like 2 inches. To the back middle part of my hair only grew like ½ inches, and to the back lower back also grew by ½ inch. Yes, it did work for me. Cut my hair 2 weeks before I start this challenge, and my hair have grew right back to where it was that I cut last 2 weeks, and it grew a little more than that. So I will definitely be doing another hair challenge again. You have been on a hair journey before. What was your result? What worked? What did not work? So remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'm asking that you remember to hit the subscribe button and help me to reach my 1,000 goal for the 2022 challenge. So thank you so much for watching. Huge thumbs up to you. Have a